Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you what services can you get for your HONOR X6b on the IMEI.info website. So to get your IMEI number, you just have to dial this number right here, and then you just have to enter it on the IMEI.info website. And you will get, for example, some basic information about your phone, and you can also read the full specs of your phone if you're interested. But we're interested now in the, for example, the basic checks. We have the free ones and the advanced ones, and they will differ between the phones. And for example, we have the HONOR warranty check. We have the Blacklist simple check, the eSIM compatibility check. You can also generate 10 random emails for the same model of the device. You have also the MAC address check and the MAC address generator. These two do the same thing, so you can use one of them, doesn't matter. You can also perform a carrier lookup. You can also add your device to the lost/stolen database by filling a quick form, as you can see. And you can also check if your, for example, a newly bought used device was added to the database. In the premium ones, you can perform a premium blacklist check for like a couple of bucks. So I believe we're done for the video. So if you consider this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.